So I have Desmos open here, and we're going to do a quick little exercise to just test the idea of being able to tell if we have a maximum curve or a minimum curve. If you can recall, if you look at the coefficient of x squared as simply the number that's in front of x squared, in any quadratic curve, any quadratic expression, we know if we have a positive coefficient for x squared, then it's a smile, which we call a minimum curve because it dips down to a minimum value. And if we have a negative coefficient for x squared, we have a frown, right? We know that negative people, they tend to frown more. Positive people, they tend to smile more. So a negative coefficient for x squared simply means that we have a frown, a maximum curve, right? So I just have 4 examples here. First, we have x squared plus 5x plus 6. We just have to look at the coefficient of x squared to be able to determine if it's a maximum or minimum curve. So if you want, you can pause the video, have a quick look. Now I'll unhide the curve so you can see. Before I even do that, because we have x squared here, we understand that there's really a 1 as the coefficient of x squared. And so we can easily tell that because 1 is a positive number, we will actually have a minimum curve, right? Now you see, indeed, it's a smile, right? Positive coefficient of x squared, we have a smile. And it dips down to a minimum value right here. Next, we have negative 3x squared minus x plus 2. You could try that. All right, so we have the coefficient of x squared being negative 3, negative, negative people frown, so we should have a maximum curve as the answer, and that's what we have here. Going a bit faster here, negative 9x squared plus 3. Yes, if we have a negative coefficient, in this case negative 9 for x squared, we have a frown. Negative people tend to frown more often. You see, it goes up the maximum value. And then here we have finally the 8x squared minus 5x. This again, it should be a positive, which means that we have a smile. All right.